What is the national bird of India? এইটোৰ এনচাৰ হ'ল Indian peacock. What is Vijay Ghat? Answer Samadhi of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who was the first woman to receive the Canpit Award? Answer Akhaburna Devi. Who composed the song Bonde Mataram? Answer Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Where is the famous playground Eden Garden? Answer Kolkata. Q Ladeo National Park is situated in Ansar, Rajasthan. Who is the southernmost continent of the world? Antarctica. Who is the only cricketer to be honored with the Bharat Ratna? Answer Sachin Tendulkar. How many spokes are there in the Ashok Chakra? Answer 24. Who is the author of the book Tale of Two Cities? Answer Charles Dickens. Who among the following is not a lawn tennis player? Answer Leander Paes. Who was the last king of Ahom Kingdom in Assam? Answer Purandar Singh. Which of the following is not a folk dance of Assam? Answer Sahu. Who among the following is now as Asuras? Answer Lakshminath Bezbarua. Emperor Ashoka was the most famous king of Maurya dynasty. The second battle of Panipat was fought during the reign of Ansar Akbar. The first schedule of the Indian Constitution. Answer Constitution of the list of the states and union territories. Who among the following acts as the chairman of the Rajya Sabha of the Indian Parliament? Answer the Vice President of India. Which of the following is the largest gland of human body? Answer liver. Vitamin C deficiency leads to answer scurvy. Cholera is caused by answer bacteria.